Hey everyone, I appreciate y'all stopping by. I'm David White with Dave White Outdoors. Just got finished up with the BFL on Okeechobee. Got really lucky where I practiced with Mikey Howes. Ended up being the place that I was fishing with my boater. Really strange pick. The person I was drawn was the first person I ever fished with the BFL. He said that he's been fishing since 1985. Has never drawn the same code twice. So pretty interesting. Had a really good day on the water. Conditions just got better and better. It was warmer the next day. The wind got a little bit picked up, which was great for a chatterbait, and that's where I caught all my biggest fish on, was on a Black and Blue Jackhammer with a Gambler Komodo. So appreciate y'all stopping by. Like and subscribe. Good morning. We're out here on Lake Okeechobee for the BFL. We're about to take off about 20 minutes. We're going to head south and see what we can do. There's one. Stay down. There you go. One. Just a little guy. It's a start though. Got him on. All right. One. Yeah, if you're gonna buy cull tags, these are the ones. They click onto his lips.
Yeah, that's pretty cool too.
Habitat rehabilitation, like gum brink. There's one.
Ooh, big truckloads of better one?
Yep.
Oh yeah. Big truckloads of hydrilla.
Don't get stuck in there. I think he got stuck in there. He's stuck. He's stuck.
Hold him tight.
I don't know if I have him anymore, but oh, there he comes. Here he comes.
You coming? Oh,
Yeah, I got him. I got him. He ain't that big.
that's a good fish though. That's a solid one.
Man, he was all the way around that thing. You see me pull him around that reed head? Killing it. I got 5 pounds. All right.
Well, but I got maybe 5.
I think you.
Where you going?
That looks like a big one. Get him in here. Get him in here. Get him in here. Get him in
I
here.
can't find him now. I don't know where he's at. All right,
Oh God.
It's right below us.
Oh,
It's not that big. That's my dinkiest one of the day, I think.
that was weird. He must have been really tied up in that stuff.
But it's my 5th, so
There you go.
I'll take it. Ooh.
There's a fish. I was hung on something and just kept on powering it through.
Oh, nice fish there, dude.
There we go.
That's a nicer fish. That's the best one of the day so far.
There we go. All right. 113.
That's it? Look bigger than that. I hope that's not the nicest one of the day.
I don't think it will be. I think there's going to be that skinny dipper bite's going to be an all-day thing, whereas this chatterbait's going to kind of dissipate, I think.
I went and saw. Here we go. Oh, geez.
Get out of there.
Holy shit, it's a good one.
Oh, God. Yeah, there we go.
That'll work.
You got a hook in his mouth?
He sure did.
I'm just saying the one I lost a minute ago.
Oh yeah, that might be it. That might be the one. It's a monster. It's a monster.
Well, we're gonna get it. We're gonna get it.
Oh, look at him go. Holy cow.
Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Oh God, no. I almost knocked it off. I'm sorry, man. All right, let's do it.
Oh my God, this is a big one.
You ready?
Yeah. Get him up. Oh yes.
Dude, that's an 8-pounder. That's an 8-pounder.
That's my big one. That's what I need. Holy cow. Yeah. That's a big one.
Let me get out of your way.
Thank you. The little small weight. That was too much weight.
There we go.
There you go. Number 5. Awesome, dude. Awesome.
Damn, that feels good.
Don't it?
Be a fish. Oh yeah.
That's the best. You only need one more. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, yeah. It's a real good one, dude.
Came out. It came out. Okay. That's a better one.
Yeah, that one worked. What are you throwing?
Chatterbait.
Oh, you threw chatterbait again. Before I came here, I took the skeg of my thing and it had gotten scuffed up.
Oh. That's fish.
And it's back to the way it was before. Oh, that taint.
Please be there. I think it's a pretty good one.
Oh yeah, that's a good fish, dude. That's a real good fish.
Oh,
That's almost as good. That's right up there with mine. Look at that, dude.
I thought I got hung.
That's a good fish.
Boom.
Damn, dude.
Okay, now I got some work to do.
We're gonna have to take some pictures. Well, we know you can call something.
Yeah. I want to say one is one of my smallest. And it's off now. I'll go ahead and put that girl in there. Need a net?
Might call. can't call that dead one, though, can I?
Uh-uh.
I didn't think so.
I'll be up there somewhere. I might be top 30 maybe.
I might play.
Is that a fish? Be a fish. Yes, it is. That's a good fish. That's a good fish. Stay down. I think she's hung. I think she's hung. No, maybe she's not. Oh no!
I ain't mad. I gotta get back, but I lost 4.
8. I'm Cope. David White. David White.
Sorry about that. Michael Faust, 1040. Come over. Got 5 today. 5 gonna get you. 17-1. 17-1. Big bass. Right now, 8-7. He's gonna weigh one for big bass, Trent. Oh, that's a pretty one. Let me take a picture of that. That way. Come on, dog. 2, 3. I got you. And that big bass. Let's see what this thing's gonna get. 7 pounds, 6 ounces, 7.6, Trent. Hey, thank you. I'll be waiting there. How about David White? He's a coat angler in this lovely state of Florida. He's got 5 captured today. Good bag of fish, 14 pounds, 8 ounces, 14.8. Thank you, sir. Take a picture. Yeah, he's going to take a picture. 1, 2, 3. I got you, brother.
Appreciate it.
Thank you much. How about Dalton Hanger? Florida boater. 5 today.
Just wanted to do kind of a rundown here at the end. One of my main lures that you probably saw was a Black and Blue Jackhammer with a Gambler Komodo. It's the first time I've ever used this trailer, and man, did they really like it on Okeechobee. I usually use a Kintech, but they really seem to really like that trailer down there, and I'm glad I watched a couple YouTube videos and found out about that one. So I was throwing a 1/2 ounce Black and Blue Jackhammer and just reeling it as slow as I could around all those reed heads in the South Bay, and that's where they were hitting. But one of the main rods I was using was a Fitzgerald 7.6 heavy all-purpose composite, and that was the first key fish I caught on the Black and Blue Jackhammer, and then I just stuck with it the rest of the day. Just needed that one last fish to kind of help me at the end get to the top, but can't complain. Pretty good day. I appreciate it. Well, that's going to do it for this video. I appreciate y'all stopping by. I finished with 14 pounds, 8 ounces, put me in 8th place, and also put me in 8th place overall in the AOI. Only need about to be the top 45 to get to the regional, which is going to be on Santee Cooper, which is also on the 3rd stop of the Toyota series that I'm fishing, so that'll be good practice for that one. My biggest fish was a 5'10" kicker, and I really wish I had caught that one at the end. It would have pushed me up against probably 2nd or 3rd place. Probably cost me about $400 or $500 there. But really great day, can't complain. I wish I'd have fished a little bit cleaner, but we're on to the next one. We're going to have a lot of bank fishing and kayak fishing coming up. My next tournament's not until September, so hopefully I can get on the water with a couple of my buddies and see what we can do this summer. Appreciate y'all stopping by.